Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT Powerboost. Features the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 with hybrid technology to put additional power to the ground, as well as the ability to power your house. So here you have a nice little workstation. You have centimeters, inches, so if you're cutting wood or anything like that. You of course have your step with the boom, so you can just step right up. That easily stows away, same with this. Here is your generator, outlets, all that fun stuff. Backed up too far, now I gotta go through the weeds. Really nice spec on this one. Like I said, XLT, Super Boost, Super Crew, carbonized gray over dark slate. Total price is $61,670 with the options of the EcoBoost full hybrid, the 10-speed automatic, Bang & Olufsen sound system, the tailgate step, the chrome wheels, Ford Copilot 360, power sliding rear window, and the Pro Power on board. Good amount of options in this one. This is a really nice truck though. And the fact that it can power your house when the power goes out is pretty impressive. So, here's what I was talking about. First of all, to get to this, you press features. It's going to bring you into this. You go to Pro Power on board. So right now it's on. It shows you how much it's using. Then you can go to generator mode. Continue to run to supply power to the outlets. And now the truck's a generator. That's the coolest thing. You also have zone lighting, driver assistance, your owner's manual, and your power flow, which I will keep up just so we have something to watch. I'm not going to press that because I don't know what that does. Alright, a couple different drive modes. I'm in Sport. You got Eco, Tow Haul, Normal, Slippery, Deep Snow, Sand, Mud and Ruts. We're going to go back to Sport, however. You do have the 360 camera, but let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. So it tells you engine's on due to the drive mode. In sport mode, it's going to keep the engine on. Second lap, I'll do eco mode, see if we can drive it in full electric mode, get a taste of what the lightning is going to be like. Don't hit people. It's never good. just driving around in hybrid mode, it's not bad. It just is comfortable. I love the new F-150. I love the previous F-150 too. It really is impressive how much power this thing has. Onto the off-road test, which is about as off-road as you can get inside of Boston. I'm amazed just how comfortable this thing is. What is moving around? There's screws somewhere. There. Oh wait. So, you know, I'll do hybrid and I'll do eco around the lot because I want to actually see the power. And now I'm driving it in full electric mode. This feels weird driving an electric pickup. Feels so weird driving and just seeing RPM at 0. It's cool. I love this thing. It's a really, really fun truck to drive. And it's actually extremely comfortable. Sport mode. Wow. That is impressive. Let's go back to electric. No. Bumps are killing me now. Power flow. Thank you. And if it needs power, or if you need power, it goes ahead and turns the engine on for you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.